koocinayph. Easy recipe ideas every day. For today's recipe, crispy Long John silver style chicken batter. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon sugar, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, optional for chicken flavor, 1 cup cold club soda or very cold water. Chicken pieces, breast strips, thighs, or wings. Quick steps. 1. In a bowl, whisk flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, sugar, and garlic powder. 2. Slowly add cold club soda. Mix until smooth, slightly thick but pourable. 3. Dip chicken into batter. Coat well. 4. Fry in hot oil, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 5 to 7 minutes until golden and cooked through. 5. Drain on paper towels and serve crispy and hot. Save this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe to koocinayph.